What's going on YouTube? All my friends, my family, my peeps, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Sorry, forgot to put a belt on, so I'm kind of gotta have a belt, man. Gotta have a belt. It's one of those things. Anyways, we're gonna do a quick restoration. I was gonna do a challenge, but I don't know if I can make this a challenge. Who knows? But Armando Loni put up a challenge for Halloween. I'll put a link in the description for his video, and we'll try and do something. But I've been wanting to do this project for a while. It's one of my favorites, so we're gonna see what we can get done. If you're not already subscribed, click down below, subscribe. It's free, costs $0.00, and we'll get to it. So the challenge is a Halloween kind of like maybe like a murder weapon, something like that. And I think this would be a pretty good candidate. This is a German perfect handle screwdriver. So it's a copy of the perfect handle screwdriver, but it's like let me grab my tape measure. Come on. So it's 5 inches, and that would be perfect for holding in your hand, just jabbing the crap out of somebody. At least that's my iteration of it. Other than that, it's gonna be a good restoration. You know, we can make the tip a little. Actually, you wouldn't need to make it sharper. It's pretty sharp. So we'll clean her up. It's a little tweaked right here, so we'll try and bend that back. Clean the handle up. I'm thinking of using these little buffing wheels that I have. I'm thinking of using these. I have like 4 different grits. So I'm thinking of using these for the whole restoration. And then cleaning it up with the buffer, of course. So, I don't know where to start. Let's just grab the Dremel. We'll throw some bits in there. This is 180. I think I have a 120, and we'll go to town. Remember your safety glasses. Okay, so everything turned out great. I'll show you here in a second. My board's not very clean, so bear with me. But I was gonna linseed oil it, but I think I want to buy some like stain and Danish oil, some shellac and stuff like that. And watch my buddy Scout Crafter. If you don't know him, check him out on YouTube, Scout Crafter. But let's take a look at it. See how shiny she got. That's a polished finish. Looks beautiful now. So I want to put something on the scales. I just don't know what yet. I want to go to the hardware store and pick up a few items and then go from there. But it will get something on the scales no matter what. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. So if you like this sort of thing, tool restorations, vehicle restorations, will it run videos, welding, fabrication, a little bit of everything. I have ADHD, so I do a little bit of everything and probably don't do anything perfect, but we have fun doing it. So if you like this sort of stuff, do me a favor, subscribe down below. It's free, no charge. Then I get to do this stuff. I get about a penny and a half per view. So if I get 100 views, I get $1.50. It's kind of ridiculous, but it is what it is, and it's better than nothing. So if you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe. And I thank every one of you who have been here with me this whole time, and all the new people also. You guys are amazing, and you keep me doing it. Thanks for everything, and I'll see you on the next one.